It was a normal winter morning on Sunday until the residents were jolted by massive flash floods which were caused by a glacier burst. Residents of Raini village were jolted by the loud sound of huge torrents of water and slush in the Rishiganga river. Raini village was the epicenter of the glacial breach and suffered massive devastation, bringing back the horrifying memories of the 2013 deluge. Houses near Dhauli Ganga river were swept in the sudden floods. India Today is the only channel that reached the devastation site. Ashutosh Mishra, my colleague, is at ground zero explaining the aftermath of the deluge. Here's a look.
Now I'll take you to the exclusive visuals, first images on India Today from the village, Raini village, which was the epicenter of this entire flashpoint where this avalanche triggered the massive flash flood. That's the strategic highway of Niti, which connects Chamoli entire district, has been washed away. And these visuals explaining the gravity of the devastation. Completely there were several visuals. And of course, this is the river Rishiganga, as the Rishiganga power project was located. And now it is all under debris. That's only a plain surface. Nothing is visible. In fact, I have one of eyewitness along with me who is here. And in fact, one of them rescuer as well who also helped locals to rescue, because since it was a hydro project underway, who were working here, though when they heard the massive burst sound, few successfully escaped from this area. But as the locals believe that there could be possibly few still trapped in. However, let me take you to other side. These images, that's the Nandagiri, the glacier area where possibly that glacier fell down and that triggered a massive flash flood. Because it's a narrow passage, narrow valley, this explains why there's a 50 to 60 feet. And that's the level of debris and water when it passed through this area. And it took just 30 to 45 seconds, just matter of few seconds, everything washed away. And including not just hydro project, there was heavy cranes, machineries, boulders, everything that was placed. Now all I can see only devastative images, only the the visuals of destruction.
पूरा आवाज आया सर, जैसे ब्लास्टिंग होता सर, वो ये मतलब पूरा उछल गए सर। ये उछला तो इसके बाद यहाँ पर कंपनी वाली की बिल्डिंग था।
अच्छा, यहाँ दीवार थी
ना, बिल्डिंग कंपनी का। अच्छा, जो कंपनी था यहाँ पर। तो मैंने वहाँ से आवाज मारा ऊपर गांव से। जब मैंने आवाज मारा तो कुछ लोगों ने तो बिल्डिंग से उछाल मार दिया।
आई थी पहले?
अरे साहब, पहले 71 में कितना बड़ा आया? हाँ, 27 जुलाई को कितने को आया था?
27 जुलाई 1971।
तो बहुत बड़ा आया था यहाँ। तो जो
तब यहाँ कोई परियोजना नहीं थी?
तब यहाँ कोई परियोजना नहीं थी। तो क्या हुआ कि उसके बाद धीरे धीरे थोड़ी बहुत सरकार ने भी दी, लेकिन जो चीज होना मूलभूत जो होना चाहिए, अब आपने देखा कि कल यहाँ पर कट जाता तो पूरा गांव नीचे आ जाता, क्योंकि इसी पर टिका हुआ है गांव। और इस आधार पर अगर ये कट जाएगा तो इसलिए हमारी अब सबसे अच्छी पहली मांग रहेगी कि आप हमको गाँव के लिए विस्तार की व्यवस्था करें।
The residents of Raini village and surrounding villages filed a petition in Uttarakhand High Court nearly 2 years ago against the construction of the Rishi Ganga Hydel project, fearing huge damage. Their fear has now come true. Take a listen in to the petitioner in this case.
कब से आपने इस पर आपत्ति जतानी शुरू की थी और आपने कहां-कहां इसको लेकर के आवाज उठाई?
3 साल से बहुत प्रयास किया है सर हमने, और हाई कोर्ट तक गए हम, लेकिन शासन प्रशासन ने इस संबंध गांव के संदर्भ में या पर्यावरण के संदर्भ में कुछ पहल नहीं किया।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.